Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial introducing instance data management in Metaphactory, which allows you to edit and add new data to your knowledge graph. Instance data management, or data curation, in Metaphactory is entirely model-driven, using previously defined ontologies and vocabularies. If you remember, in the first chapter of this tutorial, we saw the organization ontology, which includes a class describing the concept of an organization and has several attributes and relations. Metaphactory relies on this class's attributes and relations for instance data management. The platform offers two ways to extend the knowledge graph with new instance data: using semantic forms or using the visual instance authoring component. Let's first have a look at how we do this using a semantic form. For each class that we have defined in one of our ontologies, Metaphactory automatically generates a semantic form driven by the ontology that allows us to add new instance data to the graph for this class. This is an out-of-the-box form that can be accessed by clicking on Manage Instances at the top of the right panel of a class. From the Instance Usage tab, it's possible to either edit existing instances that have been created for this class, or add new ones. To create a new instance, we click on the button, New Instance, and fill out the form. So let's do this and add the United Nations as an organization. We'll define a label and click on Save. As you may have noticed, we have different types of fields in this form. The label is a free text field. The is involved in field shows a list of the projects available in the system, and the has member field shows a list of the persons available in the system. Once we save our organization, it's shown in the list of existing organizations. When clicking on the question mark next to our organization label, a knowledge panel opens up that summarizes all the data available about this organization. Let's now have a look at how to add instance data using the visual authoring component. What we see here is a canvas that allows us to visually add new instances. This is very similar to the graph exploration component in Metaphactory and the visual ontology modeling interface. So here we can click on Create Person, which will add a new node on the canvas. In the panel on the right, we can define the name of the person. We can also create a new project, for example, Metaphactory Tutorial Project, and then establish a connection to the person created before by selecting one of the available relations that are possible between the classes of these instances. Here again, we see all the fields in the forms for creating new instances. The relations we can add on the canvas are driven by the underlying ontologies we defined beforehand. And this concludes our intro to instance data management with Metaphactory. Thank you for watching.